Hey, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ini bisa dengan friends. My name is Dokman Abad, di mana Malaban is your participant from Socratic Process Class K. So today I will answer the problem for point 31 and for point 33. Here 4.1 and 4.33. So for the first, I will answer the problem for 4.31. So here the question. Suppose the CTMC in computational problem from 4.1 incurs cost at the rate CI 2.I plus 1 with I is 1 to 5. Come to the ADC incurred over the time interval 0 to 10 if the result is 2. So here we need to calculate the G I T. Yes, the formula is sigma of CJ times MIJ T. The sigma is from G1 to N. So for this problem, uh, we can write like this. So I is the initial state, which is 2. So the T is the time interval, which is 10. Sigma of I, because here is we get I1 to 5 is unwired 1 until 5. The CI times M, because the state is 2, so 2 comma I. So here we can see that the I and J is changing, and this is time. So now to calculate this, we need to calculate the M2 10 first. So to calculate the M2 I10 first, to calculate the M2 I10, we will use the Python letter. First, we will calculate the CI. So the CI, so the CI is 2I plus 1. So if I is 1, so the C1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. If I2, the C2 is 5, and so on. Yeah. If E type 3, C3 is 7. If I is 4, the C4 is 9. And if E equals to 5, then C5 is 11. So here we get that the CI for every state. And then we will calculate the MT. So the MT, we will use the help of Python, as I mentioned before. So here the Python. So we will declare the R matrix first. We'll define the R, which is uh, this one. Yeah, this one. So I will run it, and then I will run the uniformation algorithm for MT, which is from book appendix 4B. So I will run this, and we will use the T of 10. So the R is R and the T is 10. So this is the matrix MT, and then we will focus on the M2. So the row 2. So we will copy the value of this value, the row 2. So I will use the help of Microsoft Excel here. So for 4.31 is we get that empty like this, and then we will use the text to column here with the delimiter and comma. So we get the data here. Get the data here for the M to I10, and then we will substitute the CI here with what we calculated before, which is 2 times I plus 1, or in the Excel, we can easily doing this 2 times I plus 1. And then we will just drag it to the right. And then we need to calculate the G to 10, right? Uh, so we need to compute the CI times M to I10 first. So we will just times this and this. So the CI times M to I10 is equal to this. And then for the G to 10 is the sum of the value here. So the G to 10 is sum of this value. Yeah. So I use the Microsoft Excel because it is easy, but I already try it with paper. So the answer is the same. So the G to 10 is 65.75. So the same goes for 4.33. So for the question 4.33 here, we get the matrix like here, and then we have the interval 0 to 20, and the CI is 4 times I quad, quadratic I, and then times I times 1, which I is 1 to 6, and the initial state is 6. So here we will calculate by the same way. So here we will calculate the G, because the initial state is 6, so it is the G6 and 20. So it's the sum of CI times M6I 20. So the I is 1 to 6, because here we have that I is 1 to 6, right? So we will calculate this again. We will calculate the M6I20 or M20 with the help of Python later. So we will calculate the CI first. So the CI is like this, like four times quadratic of I plus 1. So the ini for I is plus 1. So the C1 is 4 times 1, which is 5. So C2 is 4 times 4 plus 1 is 70, and so on, yeah. Until C6 is 4 times 36 plus 1, which is 145. And then we calculate the M20 from the Python. So from the Python, we define the R again with the matrix from 4.2. So here, this matrix. So we will run it, and we get the matrix R here, and then we will compute the M20. Yeah, M20. So we will change this by 20. So we get the MT right here. So because the initial value is 6, so we will see the 6th row, or this row only, because it starts from state 6. We will copy this, and we will move it to the Microsoft Excel to easy, for the sake of easiness. So here we get this value, and then we can use the text to column again with the delimited of comma, and then we just finish and OK. And for the CI, we will just compute this like before, like we already computed in here. So 4 times I squared is 4 times I squared plus 1, yeah. 1. So we'll get the 5 uh, until 145. It's the same like it's the same like this. So here, we will calculate again the C times M. With this, we will just C times M, and then we get this value. We will drag this, and then for the G620, it's the sum of the of this product of this value, and then we get the G620 is 1,233 times 616. So for the 431 is 65.2. So G to 10 is 65.75, and so this means that the ETC incurred over the time interval 0 and 10, if the initial state of is 2 is 65.75, and here the G620 is 1,233.6. 100 to 1,233.616. So the ETC incurred over the time interval 0-20, if the result statistics is equals to 1,233.616. So that's all from me. Thank you for your attention. Hope this helpful. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.